I got the radio right here. It's Acura TSX 09 to 14. So the customer got everything. Everything was hooked up, but there's no sound. So I'm gonna try to figure out the sound. And as you can see right there, you're gonna have to plug all of these right there. This is USB right there. And I'm gonna hook up a backup camera. I'll show you later on that. And he does have a CAN bus. CAN bus is already hooked up, so it tells you the doors open and the whole 9 yards. But the one problem that he has is the amp is not there's no sound, so I'm gonna have to tap to one of these wires for the factory amplifier to come on. So everything is plugged like so right there. So here's the amp turn on right there. It's called AMP's CONT right there. You need to plug this to one of the wire. I gotta figure out, I forgot what color it is. I think it's a pink one, but I'm not 100% sure. Well, I'll get back with you in a second. Well, I still don't have power right here, so I came into the radio and do a setting right there from the radio. I'll show you in a second. And this blue wire right there is supposed to power up. Like if I put a test light to this amp CONT, and I should have power, but I have no power, so I know the radio's got a problems. So I'm going to show you. I'm just checking, make sure my test light is working. You see that power's on. So I ran the remote right there to this blue wire right there, and as you can see right there, it's got power. So from this blue wire to the back over here, I'm gonna test the back over here. What I've done earlier, there's no power. So there's a problem between the plug to this plug. Might have an issue. So I'm gonna bypass this plug and go on here, and hopefully it works. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bypass everything because I'll be honest with you, this between this plug to this plug, there's no connection. Okay, this white color right there, this is an amp turn on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm power accessory to it, which is the red wire right there, and watch where you watch it, because I tested already. You see that? You hear that? Yep, that was it. That was the problem. So that main problem was the plug all along. And yes, I did took me about 20 minutes to figure out what's wrong with it. So that's the problem. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Right here, the antenna adapter is not the right one. That's another problem that the customer bought, and it was the wrong one. But anyway, all of this plug is not gonna plug in because of that issue that we had right there. See, there's no plug to this one. I mean, the Integra for this one is, I mean, not Integra, the TSX right here is not like the right one. They got the right adapter. It's just the right here. This is where they give the wrong one right there. I'm sure that this is all right there for the radio, the screen, and everything. So guys, if you buying it, I'm gonna link it below. Customer bought it from Walmart.com. So I'll make sure, you know, if you got this plug like this for this 2000, what year is this again? 2010 right there. You want to make sure you got the right plug. If it's not the right plug, it's a wrong one, send it back so you don't have to waste your time and risk all that stuff. But yes, that's something where you want to do.